Hello everyone, welcome to Prema's Culinary. Today I am going to share some flavorful powders like cumin powder, fennel powder and fenugreek powder. First let's check how to make fennel powder. Dry roast the fennel seeds until they become fragrant, dark green in color. Dry roast it in low to medium flame. Keep stirring the seeds continuously while roasting. Remove it from the heat and then let it to cool down for some time. Transfer it to the mixie jar and grind it to a coarse powder. Dry roast the fenugreek seed until they become gold color. Remove from heat and let it cool for some time. Transfer to the mixie jar and grind it to smooth powder. Now add the cumin seeds in the pan. Dry roast the cumin seed until they become fragrant and dark brown in color. Remove from heat and let it cool down. Now add it to the mixie jar and grind it to a coarse powder. Few things keep in mind while preparing these powders. Always roast the seeds on medium to low heat, otherwise they will burn and taste will not too good. Keep stirring seeds continuously while roasting. Grind the seeds only when they are cooled down. Store the powders in airtight container. It will stay for up to 6 months. I have given the recipe ideas to use these powders. Do check it out. It is in the description.